Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix I can't follow people on TikTok. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your TikTok. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna clear cache because you maybe follow 50, 100 people. So that's why maybe there is some anti-bot detection that that appeared. So automatically the anti-bot detection will actually spot that you follow too many people. But sometimes it can be over, you have too much space on too much space in TikTok. So what we're gonna do in that realm, click on your profile at the bottom right here, and then basically click the three bars at the top right, and then settings and privacy. Scroll a little bit down, right, and then here you're gonna be able to see free up space. Click on it, and then we're gonna clear the cache, and click one more time, and then you're gonna be able to release some of the unnecessary data or files within the TikTok. All right, so another way of doing it, you can basically go back right here, and basically what we're gonna do next, we're gonna check our network. Right, if your network is powerful, that means that this problem can happen within the app, meaning that you can't control it and you need to close the TikTok and try to do it again and again and again. All right, so let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.